The concrete mixer truck is independently developed by our company. It adopts the well-known Wuzheng chassis, matched with 100-year-old Zhangchai 32 horsepower water circulation engine to prevent high temperature. 5 gears with high and low speed. Built-in double helix design, uniform mixing and high efficiency. The tank body is made of thickened high-strength wear-resistant steel, which can increase the tank life by more than 3 times. The discharge chute can rotate 180 degrees. This vehicle is a device that integrates concrete mixing and transportation functions with higher efficiency and lower cost.